Damn. Shut up. Let's see. We have a green light. Welcome back, everyone. Today I got pissed off. Well, what's new? So I'm kinda got sick of working after 4 hours of work, even though I've been working since I waked up around, I don't know, 10 or something. But I got few interruption, I got few breaks, so I count the work by the minute. So it's only 4 hours. Anyhow, I got so pissed off that I left the room, went outside, then I went to the roof and I started complaining aloud and was walking around until I found a worker was working on the neighbor house roof. And I don't know if you noticed me or not, and I got embarrassed by screaming loud on my house roof. So yeah, while I was complaining, I kinda got the solution. So hopefully we can fix it. So I decided to make a video about it. But first of all, let me complain and bore you to death. One of the things that bugs me that the way how I jump from one project to another. The first project that I was working on seriously is Walker, and I decided to make the game even without an artist and using Stackholder. Because we disagreed about the prices, the artist wasn't working, demanding our monthly payments, and he wasn't doing the job, so cannot force him to work faster, cannot pay him, well, too bad. So when I worked on Walker, I faced a lot of issues, including the screen if it's too small. Does the map fit in the correct way? And a few things, loading the campaign, loading the data in the campaign. And most of the things that I really worked hard on is the items and bags and the inventory system. So you have the inventory system in here, you can open bags, you can exchange items, you can close them. You can move them around. You can cancel this, put it here, remove the weapon. I can open the bag here, put it here again. So stuff like that. And you cannot move them if the position of the item is located. Changing the weapon by the keyboard, firing with it. Have alternative fire, stuff like that. Having bags or inventories and objects like this rock, you can leave some items here if the inventory allow you to move the screen. And it still crash when I make it a bigger screen while the inventory is open. Hooray! So I have some issues or known bugs that I shouldn't do or should fix. So if the inventory is open and I try to resize the location, something screwed up. So you can leave the item here, return to them. Anyway, unfortunately, after all the work on the scrap, I canceled this project because I found out it will take forever to do. And I cannot do the Stackholder art. A lot of art. Have more than 40 minions, main characters. And I was like, I need to get the product out. So decided to work on a different project, which is the Delmency Arcade. And if you weren't watching the videos before, oh, I deleted the file. I forgot to get it back. Let me get it back. I was testing something today. So the idea is to have multiplayers, accounts, log in, mini games. It should be there more than one, but I only finished one. Control, joysticks. I worked on a lot of aspects, including the game file data, that when you start the game, it know that I can relog in these two accounts. and you can play mini games as a single player, multiplayers, and each game control its own logic, its own crap, its own points, its own money. So there was a lot of work on this aspect, but most of the work I put in the last 6 months is the profile setting. After Game Zanga, 10 days ago, I decided to work on a different project because I found an artist. Actually, I talked to several people about the Almancy arcade game, and they were like, 40%, 50%. They didn't like the idea that much because it seems there's a lot of games made as a couch party games nowadays, and the control is excellent and everything is excellent, but the game is not that successful, even though a lot of people talk about these games. The sale numbers show that not that great. Some of them are, some of them are not. But yeah, this seems the idea wasn't that. Seems going to be. Yeah, so I didn't close the project. I suspended. I believe I didn't waste time on it because the profile and the game manager work. It's in the game engine and I can reuse it. So today I decided to make on the what is the game a menu for creating a file. It should show up when this one is not showed up to create a file, and it doesn't look that great. It's still under construction. The text box has a problem, and I cannot understand why it behaved like that. Not the position, but the marker should show only in the active one. And this one, for some reason, even though I can type in it, in here it's... this one shouldn't show. This one should be forced in Arabic. I haven't done this yet. The positioning, I'm going to fix that later. If I show you the here, marker doesn't move. Actually, I solved this one because it was using an outdated code. But this one, the position, I need to check the distance of the text. The problem is when I made the text box, I didn't have different sizes of the dialogues yet. You see the text in here is much smaller in here. And oh wow, it crashed again when I have... It shouldn't crash when I change it to Arabic. I don't know why it crashed. So now I have different sizes for the text. Yeah, the buttons, after I designed them, they are a little bit bigger than I expected. Oh god, I need to redraw them, and I'm really not in the mood to do that. So I might actually working on dialogues and GUI takes forever. Even though most of these I stole them and resized them from the old one that I made for the arcade game. But oh my god, to take the sizes and changing the things. And now I need to change this rectangle to make it 200 by 200. And yeah, I need to change the size from 80 to 200. So I need to change this one and this one sizes. So actually I might make some kind of scaling. Just make some buttons, some menus, and just scale the hell out of them instead of resizing them every time. That will solve billions of issues, and then I can reuse the buttons and the menus every time. Or maybe if I can color it programmatically somehow, that will be even better and better. But the whole idea is to make the GUI as customizable as possible. So we will see about that, but I might make a standard size for the button and just resize it the hell out of it to solve the problem. So actually, let me show you. This is my channel and this is my complaint, and I can do whatever I want. So we can go to OK and cancel and change the scale. So let's make it 0.8. And change the cancel one and shut up and yep. And there you go. Ta-da! Much better. See? No need to resize the crap out of it. Just scale the screw of it. Yeah, I need to shift the text to make it, yep, to fit exactly where I want. These ones are shifted. That's why they look nice, but these ones are not. They using the standard size. So, what the issue that sent me to the 7th hell today? Oh yeah, I didn't show you the text marker in the other game. Even though the page is not designed. No, not you. Which one was it? Yeah, create. See here, the text box. Oh. Maybe because I changed the priority of the crap. Let me check. Nope. No idea. This one shouldn't show if this one is active, and this one is not. This one is active now, and yet this is the one who's blinking. Completely wrong, and I have no clue. But this is not the issue that I have issue with. The issue that I have issues with is here. You see, this menu has changed when I click pick a year, and now I have return. And before, when I start programming this part of the game, when I click pick a year, then click on return, return get clicked, and exit get clicked, and the program immediately exit. So I fixed the issue by making the control manager, whenever it do a click and a GUI detect the click, it says to the rest, frick off. It just exit the function. And it worked. Now when I click on return, it doesn't return and exit in the same second. I need to click again on exit to make it exit. Happy? Of course. But then I was testing something in the Almancy arcade, the other project, and guess what? You fix something from one side, you break it from the other side. So here you have the tab master, and you should be able to click on these things to change the tab, but no. Because the profile, when I click on profile or when I click on the menu itself take the click and it doesn't send it to the button in here. And it's tell me to frick off, and then now I'm fricked off and I cannot change the tabs. And now I feel I want to throw myself to the through a window somewhere and just. So how about to try to fix that? So let's start the timers. As you can see, I have 2 hours left to finish 6 hours for work today. So let's start working. So first of all, where is this control manager? Let's go and dig it up. So we go to content. This is Almancy project. We need to go to the game lover. Attack, fire, and control manager. Hello. So here's take the inputs for the text box. Here's text box. Why there's no region for this? There should be a region for this. Wait, this is take input for the joystick, and this is text box crap. Joystick stuff. Why the joystick is in between? Oh, text input, take input. Silly me. This is joystick. We need to check the. Oh boy. Check all sticks. Check joystick. Click. Check click. Click click. Click click. So here it check if we have a check click for the menu component. And if it is visible and contain mouse position, the position of the button, And it's not the text box marker. What's going on here? Oh, hello. This is the problem. So, there. Nope. That's. Anyway, back to the main menu. Yeah, something screwed up in here. That's why. Oh, wait. Maybe it shouldn't continue. It should, yeah, it shouldn't continue in here. Anyhow, this is not our issue, but we should be able to fix the first problem in this line, actually. Here is our problem. If it's not a double click, and here it breaks, but no, it shouldn't break. It only breaks if this thing is not null. And if it is null, then it should continue. Same here. And let's test it. And oh yeah. So in here, I should be able to go to the control and ta-da! Alright, great. But when we go to the second project, yes, load all of them. Because it uses the same library. And I click pick a year, and then return. Oh boy! Screaming loud at the walls in the middle of nowhere can solve issues. I fixed the problem. It was as easy as that. Just, you need to get calm, scream at the walls for a few minutes, and things get solved. So, how about to continue working while streaming? I don't mind that. So let's go and check the yeah, how about to fix this trouble? I'm just the text marker doesn't the active of try to fix focused text marker. Yeah, we fix these issues. So today I was supposed to finish creating a new profile and creating a game manager file and make the player able to create a file and then log in and start the game. But these issues are killing me, man. These issues are just, I don't believe it. They just keep coming. So let's close this project, the Walker game. We don't need it anymore. Someday I'll return and finish that crap with all these new features I have. So this is the main menu, but we want to focus on the text box. The text box, we can fix it either in here or here, it doesn't matter. So first of all, this one should be fixed Arabic. God. Is fixed language is equal to 1. So here it should type Arabic and here it should be English. The size of the text is not the same. Yeah. Let's go to the manager. Yeah, let me try to do it in there. The manager in here, it says focus text MC. What's that? Is that some kind of a static variable? Yep. When I click on one, shouldn't I select one of them? So here is check clicked. Wait a minute, don't tell me it's something that's programmed inside the TextMC itself. Oh. Oh boy, no. Yeah. One of the problem is I made this thing work as a constructor instead of using add menu. And I delete that menu. Yeah, today I changed how the TextMC works because it's outdated. So let's take a look on this crap. What's going on? So here, whenever I click, oh boy, this is crazy. This is crazy. Why am I searching for it while I have a reference for it? Oh, give me a break. Yeah, copy and paste code. Congrats. God, what the hell? What the hell? Who programmed this crap? Who programmed this crap? TMCC visible as false. Oh dude, what now? I'm streaming. That's alright. Oh, this one should make all the other TMCC invisible actually. Okay. Let me check. Okay. If this one is a text MC, it will set the other TMCC visibility into false and focus into false. But we could use, actually the code should be fine. Menu component, focus text MC. Oh boy. Yeah, maybe this is one of the issues. Yeah, at first I thought the code screwed up, but I remember this is an action. I need to avoid using this and this. I wonder if I should move this into the control manager. Not the control manager, the menu component. But gosh. Let me test it, even though I didn't change a lot. But I want to check something. it will check the debug here. Where do I have a text box here? So let me. So this one is working normally, except when I start a new one. Oh yeah, and I have another issue as well. When I type something and print cancel, it doesn't forget. So I need to delete it. And yeah, this is annoying. This is really annoying. Oh, wait a second. Is that why? It doesn't have a differentiate in the name. There you go. Alright. It was a name issue because it didn't have the same name. And yeah, I didn't want to force the priority list to have a unique name. I don't want to see crashes everywhere. And maybe I might use similar name for some tricks or something. So look at that. It was a name issue. At least we fixed this issue. It was a name issue actually, it wasn't a code issue. This one, on the other hand, I'm not sure if I can solve it now or not. This one is totally different story. First of all, I need to add an original position for the text marker. Second of all, I need to use the dialog text measure function. Let's take a look. So we go to the dialog class. Oh boy. Welcome to die, as they say. Magneto. Oh well. Can I run away? Can I just forget about the whole thing? Give me a second. It might be not in here, but it should be in here. If not in here, who controls that? The menu component? Maybe. Or the printable function. The printable is an interface SLU, but nope, it won't be the one. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Is that left to right? Do I even have such a thing? This is an ancient thing I have done. I don't think I continue supporting this. Let me check the default wrapper. Oh crap. Oh yeah, I made it into an action. Silly you. Do I initialize it in here? Wow, where? Yeah, in here. I hate this crap. Um, calm down. Where do I take the size of the stupid measurements? Um, I believe this is the size of one letter. So don't I have a function that just returned the measurement of the whole thing? I believe I do. This is the English one. Well, I believe I have an Arabic one. No? Oh boy. To be honest, I don't remember where did I use such things. Was it in... Let me close some of the classes. If it is not in a dialogue, where the hell is it? Hello. So I should be able to use this crap. Let's see. So first of all, so this is from yeah, it's fixed one, and this is a problem. I might use the Arabic font to support Parisian language someday. So I shouldn't fix the Arabic language as one and forget about it. Parisian language is different than Arabic but use Arabic letters. So I might find other ways to do this, but let's not worry about that now. Let's worry about the text stupid box. So this is the game engine and this is the text MC. So when we create a text marker, I want to give the stupid guy the original position, which is RX, yes, but usually I shift the text based on the position of the crab. So when I change the position of the text, I should shift the position. Can I override the shift text function in here? Let's take a look. So let me show you what I'm talking about. When we have a menu, like the main menu in the game, we do set text shift to shift the stupid thing so it look beautiful. So instead of having the text in here on the corner like this, we have it in the middle. Unfortunately, I didn't make a dynamic function that calculate the size of the button and the size of the text and the size of the crab and make it in the middle or whatever. Oh why. So let's try to do something in here. First of all, let me take a look on this thing, the signature, and this thing living in what? It is already part of the printable. Then silly you, here it is. So here we should reset this one, so let's make this one into protected internal. So here the text marker, this one, TMMC, oh man, the Arabic one is different than the English one. Don't you love this crap? Don't you love this crap? When I change into Arabic, let's make it for English for now, for the God's sake. Location, the shift of the X, and the shift of the Y. So here we didn't shift the text, didn't we? So let's shift the text. Profile create, where are you? No, this is the game engine. Profile create, this guy. So let's shift it by 10. Alright, but isn't the text marker a little bit too huge? And it's wide, dang it. Yeah, I didn't add something in the constructor to make it choosable. Shame on me. Shame on me. It's fixed. I wish if it is an easy way to print prime colors on the screen. I need to deal with matrices, and on the debug stage it's scrub and crash from the platform itself. So I avoid doing any 2D printing on the screen. Even though I'm using a 3D matrix, but I'm using one vertical or one vector of the matrix, but yeah, it crashed when I debug, and I don't like that. I don't know if they fixed that or not. It was crashing when I was working on Walker, and that wasn't like 3.5 or something. Now I'm using 3.6. An easy way to do it is just to add another image, but let's not worry about that for now. Let's worry about the stupid Arabic thing. How can we make the Arabic thing? deal with another original. We didn't shift the Arabic letters yet, and look at that, force connected with the sha. Isn't that beautiful? I forgot to let the numbers unconnectable from before. Look at this. This is horrible. So if I type what kind of letters that can be connected from both sides? Ba, 5, ba. It's only from after, not before, at least. All kinds of stupid problems. Arabic numbers, which are Indian numbers, I know, are connected, are considered. I cannot tap today, can I? Connectable. After. Fix that. Oh boy. I already said fix that, so that's redundant. When I shift the language, I don't think there is anything that's spam in order to change the language, because it just changed a variable, and that variable is select the dialog, the fixed one. But it do default text wrapper, doesn't it? So let me take a look if I can abuse that or not. So in the update, we add a key to change the language, and when we change a language, actually it do this, but this is freaking useless. I wonder if this is the function that do that. What this function do? Oh, I screwed up. Where is it? It do a refresh helper. A refresh helper is actually a virtual function. We could use that, but is this thing called in the right time? Oh, wait a minute, it does. This is a complicated mechanism. It's almost like opening a door to flush or something. I see. Wait a minute, there's something about text marker. Oh, this is the blinker. Let's make it blink. I really hate it when I do that to do something. I wish if there is more, like, I could do this. That will be big O of 1 instead of number of objects in the priority list. Ta-da! More optimized. Let's go back. What we were doing? Oh yeah, the refresh. Refresh language. We could use this in the text marker. Shut up, Mr. It's an ad for business opportunity fake scam. Okay, hello. So this guy, we could make fix the origin of the vector based on the language. So we can do this. If I start to have a headache. This is for the fixed language, and now it make me feel. Give me a second. Yeah, this will be a big condition. The first question is, can textbooks support different languages? It shouldn't, because it will screw up the. When I turn from Arabic into English, it will totally screw it up, because it will print the numbers and instead of the decryption. And when I turn it back, oh my god, it will do all kind of crashes. So actually, it's almost always, it should be a fixed language. So if fixed language. Oh god, Mr. Cell Phone. Shut up, please. If the fixed language is 1 or 0, then the origin should be a vector of this thing. If not, it should be this thing. So instead of the location, we need the location plus the width somehow, plus the Arabic shift. So here we will need to increase the SGR width as well. Pray. Hello, Mr. Crash. So why did you try to print it as Arabic? Isn't the language fixed already? -1? Who are you? BB name T. It's fixed language -1. Oh boy. BB name T is not fixed. Didn't I say it must be fixed already? Didn't you listen to me? The refresh has not been called. What did I miss? This one, it has a text shift, but not this one. A 0 -20 maybe. No, it's plus. Not bad. Let's lower it a little bit, both of them. So 20, 10. Oh, too much. The Arabic is perfect, but this one is too much. Let's make it 15. And then you wonder why it takes forever to make the stupid menu. Okay, I give up. 9. Perfect. You. Why didn't you fix? So if it is fixed, if it's not fixed, yeah, the refresh was not called, but when we changed the language, it get called twice. Oh, look at that. So it's worked, but it's moving in the other direction. But that's alright. I still have tons of issues in here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Well, why is this cut? Yeah, I need to remove this. It's cut for the connected one from the both side, but not if it's not connected. This is annoying. This is really annoying. Yeah, the original text is huge if I don't do a reduction algorithm, but dealing with that algorithm is pain producer. Now we need to shift the position based on the measurement of the text, of the location of the text. So it's a subtext thing. So let's try to do that. So here, instead of doing this, this thing is a vector, right? I mean, it's a structure, right? Yep, it's a struct. So I cannot change the values. I must replace the whole object. So it's alright to do this. Actually, this is the way to do it, unfortunately. So now we will try, instead of doing this, we will take the text measurement from the menu. No, it's a function. Where's the text wrapper? Oh boy. At least I fixed the problem that I was aware of, and I'm doing the other problem. So this is a good day to die. No, not yet. This thing. So the only problem with this is that the menu itself doesn't freaking know the size of the text box container. What I'm talking about is this guy doesn't know, the marker doesn't know about the master dialogue size. So either the thing is, this guy is, yeah, it creates its own dialogue over the time. I wonder if, give me a second. The size. Can I make a function that changes size in here, or should I use the dialogue one? There are two solutions, as I said. either to tell this guy what the size is, or give him a reference to his master. The problem with giving him a reference to his master is in the constructor I create this, but this case can be solved. So I wonder if I can use this in the constructor. I mean, well, that screwed up some of the stuff because this is does not exist. We are creating him already. But every time we create a text, we should add the components. So this can be solved by making this, doing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a private again. Text MC pointer as owner. Sorry, protected internal. And here we say owner is equal to this. Now we can access these guys. So what we're going to do, I completely forgot. We are going to expand this code a little bit. Why? Because this is the old way to do it. We don't need it anymore. Based on the language of the owner, we need to measure the text in a different way. So we could do the condition here, or just make a separate function. So I'll do the condition here. So actually I should make this one 1, and then because usually 1 is what is the Arabic one is the exceptional one. The other ones use the other different measurements. So we could do this. So if this Arabic, we do some calculation here. If not, we do a different calculation. So now this is not the Arabic. So what we're going to do, we take the location of X and the substitute of the text measure. So here, no, not here, here. We need to use the font AR. So not any font, we need to know the owner. Is this the correct crap? The X and Y are old things. I don't think I use them anymore. So, wait a minute, this is the size. And the font should be the main menu. Oh, because this is the father of a main menu. Okay, so I can access the static thing. Okay. And the string should be coming from the owner dialog again, but based on the location of the text. So it's a sub and then substring And then we should start from 0 to TMB. Dude, this is totally fucked up. So let's test the crap and see how far we go. Because as I said before, I didn't have different sizes for the font. Of course it will crash. Why the fixed language is -1 again? Didn't I? Who are you? Who are you? BB name T. Yeah, I start to get tired. This fixed language is 0, then why didn't I? Wait, when I change this value, the thing is already created, but that thing should be a menu. It should be a pointer. Add components. Did I call that? Yeah, I did. So let me try to crash it again. So the index is -1 for some freaking reason. And it's fixed language if first. Oh, wait. Owner fixed language. Are you out of your mind, Darvis? Actually, there's another way to solve it by forcing this guy to have the same fixed language to that guy, but screw all of that. And it crashed again. Index length was outside of the freaking size. Which string length? 12. Oh, wait. But it has 12 anyway. But, what's going on? Yeah, I love it when you have so freaking generic oh, what the frick? Okay. Owner get dialog. And the get dialog is empty for some reason. So this one has been called when this thing got called. When I start typing. Oh, wait a minute. Are you telling me it's tried to get the location before I type the letter? I'm getting tired of this crap. No, the text should be A. Oh, it's a string builder. Okay. So we updated the string builder, but I believe it didn't update the dialogue yet. So who called this function? Just to show you how much crap do I deal with every day. And why my progress is freaking slow. So we freaking update the string builder, but in the same time I'm not sure if we are dealing with dialogue anymore then. So if we're not dealing with dialogue, then why do I set the dialogue in the first place? Yeah, I might change some of the stuff because alright. But if wait, does text have substring? Nope. Oh man, I need to multiply it by 4 when I deal with Arabic. So you see the text marker is in the front of the letter, but it's over the letter actually. And it's way too wide. And it's not that accurate because it's treating them. No, it should be accurate. Yeah, let me. Actually, it's not that bad, except the color is the color. I can't use the mouse to. The problem with Arabic. We need to multiply it or something, or use something else. Anyway, this thing is not that bad, but we need to deal with Arabic now. In the Arabic, yeah, the problem is I'm using dialogue, but I'm not using dialogue. I'm using dialogue for the size and the color, supposedly, but not as a text. So I need to be careful with this. So maybe I should leave the dialogue is still used for font size and color, but not for the text. This one is used for the text. Just a message for future me. Yeah, I leave messages like these, but I rarely read them, except when I really face an issue and I was like, oh, my best me left a message to myself. Alright, so now we need to deal with the Arabic. With the Arabic, we should use the function, the Arabic, Not the decryptor, but the measurer. No, I hate myself. This one depends on the dialogue, not the text. Hooray. What should I do? Easy. Make a static function that accepts the text, encrypt it, decrypt it, and do whatever. I finished an hour of work. Shouldn't I take a break? I should take a break. But let me do that function. Whatever. So let's leave it here. So here, static string. Oh, I hate myself. Now I really hate myself. Text. Int font size. Actually, why is not happy? Right. Yeah. That's it? Really? No idea. So let's go to the TextMC. Dialogue, and the text is owner text. Substring 0 temp multiplied by 4, because wait, are there always 4 digits in every Arabic encryption? No. Nope, this won't work. This won't work. Because the Arabic encryption might be 4 digits, might be 2, might be 3. This might not work. So I need to make the number of spaces as an array and take I hate this shit. Or I could use the word pass function. So to do the word pass function, first of all, let me send the owner dialog size, and now let's do the share function here. I love long functions like these. Let's try to use share function words pass, and this is the string, and the TMB is the word pass, and the space pray. And actually this should be plus owner SGR with frickin' width, I said. Okay, calm down. Plus the shift owner ADSX Minus. So great, let's test it. Why didn't it work? The more X, the more to the right. This thing, I wonder what is this thing? Zero. Wait. Wait, the word pass. What did you do? Oh, wait a minute. TMB is already the correct number of letters. I don't need word pass. Because the controller managed that. Silly you, silly you, silly you. Focus a little bit. You need a substring. Where's the substring? String. I forgot that I measured that. Oh. Look at that. It's not accurate. Seeing it increased correctly, but what did I miss? Did I do I have to decrease this instead of increase it? Wait a minute, X plus width. Yeah, let me try to decrease it. I believe that's the issue. Why it's not correct? Oh yeah. Why it's not correct? I started here. This one's not correct either. Now it's correct. I'm not sure why it's not correct position. Let me take a look. Yeah, as you can see, it can crash as well. I need to fix that. Yeah, this function is a little bit different because this guy returned a vector for both x and y, but this guy only returned the width. Do you think I should return the shift twice? But that doesn't make sense because when I printed this stupid thing, it printed exactly on the right position. I mean, it will solve only this case if I multiply it by twice, but it will screw up everywhere else. The measurement should be correct from the first position. Why it's not fixed? So, wait a minute. Do you see that? I believe that's the issue. The origin already have um, the shift once, but do I need it? Maybe I need the Y only. Still, it's not freaking clear, and I hate it. A little bit better, but nope, not really. Because this one should be in here. Now it feels that I'm writing in the back. And when I need to click right 4 times when it's in Arabic. What the Oh, yeah, I start to write the encryption numbers in between. Perfect. Wait a second, this one will play on the original too. Oh man. Yeah. So when it is in Arabic, he decrease the length of the letter. Can I raise my hands and give up? No? Wait, this is a backspace. Focus text. I wanted when I press right and left. Screw this crap. Find a reference. Oh, great. Here. Oh boy. Now how can I frickin' solve this issue? How can I tell how many... This is stupid. This is really stupid. Yeah, I need to figure out where's the next space, and I increase the number of yeah. And I'm not sure how am I going to make it work with the mouse. That's a different story. So this one is kinda solved but broken. Um, um, when pressing left or right to move the marker, it should jump based on the encrypted letter length for the Arabic text boxes. And actually this is one of the biggest issue I have. I cannot mix Arabic and English in one dialogue. I might make a new bomb to solve that issue, like a mix kind of type of dialogues in one dialogue to mix Arabic and English. So if you write one sentence in Arabic and one word in English, then one sentence in Arabic, I will make a combiner dialogue that consists of 3 dialogues to solve this issue. But now we have this issue. I need to know I take the minimum. So it cannot go to 0 or something if the text is 0. But if the value is -1, might screw up. Keep working. So this is only if English. That's mean if the focus one wait a second. No. So this, oh god, this is so one. This one, let's say 0. So if it is English, it will case 1. If it is Arabic, it will case nothing. So let's try here. Based on the text, we need to take the previous word or the previous word I already calculated by using this command. By taking the last letter, but that's a screwed up, because it's not always the last letter. If the marker is in the middle and I remove a letter, it won't be the last letter. Can I go on suicide now or something? Dang it. Yeah, this is screwed up. This is totally screwed up. Unless if it is the last letter of the position. Let's take a look. Um. Oh. Yeah. So if I type so if I push backspace, it should decrease meme. But if I go type meme again and then go right, I mean left, no, I mean right 4 times. I hate myself. Oh, because I made it into 0. Frickin' you. Frickin' you. Let's make it 4 for now. So backspace, right, right, left, left, right, backspace. Yep, it decreased meme again. It's, yeah. I know. It is sort of making game. I'm dealing with these issues. Sigh. And I'm only showing you 2 hours of my work. I usually do from 4 to 6 hours of work. Sometimes 8 hours. I really celebrate these days when I work 8 hours. And I face all of these kind of screwed up issues. So this is screwed up because this only will solve the problem with the last word. The last letter, actually. It's not a word, but because Arabic, when you deal with Arabic, yeah. Take a note, for example. Take the Arabic. So this is the Arabic text. This is the encryption. So some letters are 3 digits, some of them 2 digits, some of them are 1 digit. So like, I don't have any 1 digit, really. No, I do, but not in this sentence. Shouldn't this one 1 digit? I start to get tired if you didn't know this. Anyway, so this is screwed up. We need to make a substring for this and take the last one based on the TMB. The TMB should be dynamically increased, hopefully, somehow, somewhere, somehow. So we need to calculate the TMB to fix this, and to fix this we need to calculate the TMB. So let's try to fix the TMB first, then we will try to fix this. So the TMB in here should be increased based on the last letter, or the after the last letter. That's why I was trying to fix this, to use it and copy it in here, but too bad. So assume somehow that the TMB is increased correctly. When I ever do an Arabic letter, I use a text input, and the text input should show from um give me a friggin' second. Yep. Wait a minute. Oh, please. This is totally screwed up. Are you telling me you always put the marker at the end of the sentence? In Arabic, this is totally screwed up. Yeah, this is totally screwed up. So we need to fix this first. Then we need to fix this second. No, this is third. And then this is first somehow. But this is go to the right and left. Yeah, this is second. Hopefully I demonstrated some of the crap that I'm dealing with every day. I'm getting tired. Thank you for watching and see you next time.